Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Getting rid of dark knuckles can be difficult at times, but not anymore because in this post, I will be sharing with you how to fix your dark knuckle problems with Floris DUI Anti-Taches Gommant Serum and Lotion, as well as other information you need to know about this product. Floris DUI Anti-Taches Gommant Serum and Lotion are used to lighten the darker parts of the skin such as the knee, elbow, and knuckles. This product has 2 bottles. One contains the exfoliating lotion with 10% glycolic acid. The second bottle contains the hydrating serum, which keeps the skin soft and aids proper processing. Do note that it takes 3 to 7 days of continuous use of this product to notice visible results. How to use Floris DUI. Apply the cream 3 times at 30 minutes intervals at night before bedtime to the affected area like the knuckle, knees, or elbow. After 3 days you should notice that the affected area is beginning to peel off. Then repeat the same process with the serum. Please ensure you do not wash your hands after application till the next morning. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.